Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make photo collage on Canva apps. Now let's get started. First, after you open your Canva apps, you can in here at the menu, you can swipe this in here. Swipe until you can see a photo collage. This is the photo collage, so you just click on it. And in here you can see many templates for a photo collage. You can choose the photo collage that you want to use. I want to try to add this one, so you just click on it. And after this, in here you can change the photo. So if you want to change the photo, so you just click on the photo, this one, and then click on replies. And after this, in here you can search the photo that you wanted to use. I want to try this one. Click on it and then click on the second photo and then click on a photo again. Okay, and third photo, click on replies again and click a photo that you want to add. This one. And in here you can change the frames, the color of the frame. So you just click on the frame, and then in here you can see a color, so you just click on the color, and in here you can change the color at your frame. I want to change to this one, and then click, and after this you can change the text, so you just click on the text and maybe your name or the text that you want to use. I want to add the name like this, and then in here you can change the color of the name, so you just click at the name and swipe at the menu, and then after this you can see on a color, click on it and change to this one and finish. So that's how to make a photo collage on Canva apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment and subscribe down below. Bye bye.